I'm with Robbie of Air Schooled as he's on this summer tour. So Robbie, tell me just basically, what is Air Schooled?
My goal as Air Schooled is to teach everyone who has a vintage Volkswagen how to make it last forever and provide good memories as long as it can.
Okay, he blew my mind when he did the sliding door earlier. Mine does not do that.
It can. Absolutely could. Not trying to turn it into a sales pitch, but you know, with a little bit of hard work, elbow grease, and wheel grease, you gotta have both greases.
Indeed.
You can make it happen.
Yes, well, my bus has got plenty of grease, that's for sure. I've got a sticker that says, old Volkswagens don't leak oil. They mark their spot.
They mark their spot, or the other one
is... Or they sweat awesome.
They sweat awesome, or if it doesn't leak oil, there's no oil in it. all those are...
yeah, right. You don't do it that way.
I don't agree. You can check my bus right now. It's been sitting here for 2 days, not a drop.
Yeah.
But, you know, a little bit of... It's all in... It's all in the grease.
The grease of the elbow. So this guy, I swear. So earlier, Ozark Mountain Flower Truck came along, and he looked around and he found something that needs repair. She's gonna come back tonight. He's gonna help her out with it. Yeah. This guy's the real deal.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So I found you on Instagram, and you're making a few short little videos and kind of showing cool tips, and you've got a good website, it looks like, and you're putting a few little bitty videos on YouTube.
It takes a certain type of person to really own and love an air-cooled Volkswagen.
Yeah.
And we're not the kind that color inside the lines.
Right.
So.
Yeah, well, anything, if you follow what you're passionate about, your tribe's gonna find you.
I think so.
So
I hope so.
We found each other. So yeah, you're on tour this summer, and what is it you're doing while you're out on tour?
I'm doing a couple things. I'm teaching people to fix their own cars on a one-on-one lesson, like today with what I'm doing with Dusty, and he's got a bus that we just got running for the first time. Right now he's in the garage assembling a Type 1 engine for a bug that hasn't been running in years. I think he's putting on the intake manifold right now.
Turning nuts and
all I have to do is
groaning while
bark some orders, and he goes over there and gets us lunch and puts engines together. It's a pretty sweet deal.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, the other thing I'm working on right now is a group class where we haven't had the first one yet. We're about to. It's going to be in Chicago, Illinois. Then we got one in La Crosse, Wisconsin, and Fargo, Illinois. Basically, I'm going to grab Volkswagen owners of all backgrounds and start with the basics and learn, you know, what does it mean to do a tune-up? How can you do an oil change? What do you need to do if it stops in the middle of the road? Like, what does this mean? What does that mean? How can you drive it in a way that's going to make it last forever? Because typical stick shift techniques you might learn on YouTube or something with a modern car are a lot different when cars are older and you can't get the transmissions anymore.
So you've driven this from, did you say San Diego area?
San Diego, yeah. This is my 1969 bus, buddy. He's totally stock mechanically, as stock as it gets. I think I have maybe like one aftermarket part in the engine right now.
So great.
It really does lend itself to reliability. This is my second trip across the country. The first one was in 2016. I made it all the way to Maine and back. I visited 38 states over the course of 8 months. And on this trip, I'm going to be doing about 14 states over 7 or 8 weeks.
Okay.
And visiting customers along the way, friends new and old.
Wow.
Video bloggers, you know.
Yes, right. Well, how can people out there get to know you better?
I would definitely recommend first following me on Instagram. We're at Air Schooled, just straight off, no hyphens, no dots. And definitely the website is airschooled.com, where I don't have as much technical information, but I will be providing that pretty soon on my website. We also sell shirts.
Yes, very sweet logo. He's going to send me one later. Yeah. He doesn't know that.
I don't have stickers yet.
Okay.
Yet. Yeah, those are in the mail.
Yeah.
But yeah, for the most part, we're just traveling. Me and Buddy, we are traveling the country, just spreading the good word about what it means to be a real Volkswagen owner and get dirty and make it last forever.
Dude, you're living the life.
Thank you.
Oh, man.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Hey, thanks for having me.
And thanks, busjunkies.com, for sponsoring this video. Life's what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty. Right. Busvlogger on Assignment is a new series sponsored by busjunkies.com. Busjunkies.com is home base for all of us living the air-cooled lifestyle. Go visit busjunkies.com and tell them Busvlogger sent you.